Welcome back to another episode of the Chop It Up Kitchen. Today we gonna be preparing for you a black bean burger, baby. That's right, Dr. Sebi style. Cause you know why? You gotta know why. I've been saying this for so long. Your health is your wealth, baby. So if you haven't already did it, go ahead and hit that like and share and subscribe button. We're closing in on 1,000 mark, baby. So if you know anybody that's trying to make that transition, go ahead and share this information with them. But I ain't gonna keep talking too long. We're gonna go ahead and get into the recipe.
All right, fam, we got 2 cups of black chickpeas cooked, 1 tablespoon of smoked sea salt. We have 2 teaspoons of tomato sauce, 1 tablespoon of shallots, 1 tablespoon of coriander, half a cup of portabella mushrooms, 1/4 cup of spelt flour, 1/4 cup of red onions, and 1 tablespoon of aqua fava. And those are your ingredients.
Okay, we got the black chickpeas all ready to go. 2 cups. Put them in a food processor. All right. We got the 1/4 cup of spelt flour. We're gonna go ahead and leave them down in the bottom, like I said in the description box. The onions, shallots. Go on in there, old shallots. Get on in there, shallots. Okay. Portabella mushrooms. Get in there. Get on in there. And the seasonings, of course. Got the seasonings, of course. We're gonna go ahead and get the seasonings in there. Okay. All right. And last but not least, the tomato sauce. Wow. Get that lidded up. And we're gonna pulse it a couple of times to get it all mixed together. Come back. You might have to take it a spatula like I'm doing now, kind of get it around the edges, just nice and well mixed up. You know, like I say, you want it to be nice. Chickpea burger, not a chickpea burger, a black bean chickpea burger, baby. Dr. Sebi style, black bean, baby. Okay, you don't want to blend it too much because you still want to see the chickpeas, the black bean, like a black bean burger, you know what I'm saying? Let's see if that's the consistency that we're looking for. And yes it is, yes it is, yes it is. So like I say, just pulse it a couple of times to get to the consistency that you like, you know. Oh, I forgot one ingredient. Forgive me, family. Forgot the aqua fava. Let me go ahead and put that aqua fava in there. About a tablespoon of aqua fava. This acts as a binder. That's all this is. This is a binder. You don't even taste the flavor in it. At least I don't. So, forgot that aqua fava. Forgive me, fam. Aqua fava in there too. Aqua fava ain't nothing but bean juice from the chickpeas. So, you need some aqua fava, go buy a can of chickpeas and keep the juice. That's what I do. All right, we got that aqua fava in there. So, it's all mixed in together. We're gonna get our mixed bowl, move all this to the side. All right, we're gonna go ahead and put that to the side. Take that on out of there. So, in the mixed bowl, there's your black bean burger, baby. Black bean Dr. Sebi style. These black bean burgers are really good, man. You could do black bean burgers, Mexican style, American style, you know what I'm saying? Hook it up the way you like it. Okay, we got it all out of there. So now that we got it all out of there and mixed up together, making all this noise, making all that noise, we ain't trying to do that. We're gonna go ahead and patty them up and fry them up, Dr. Sebi style. So we're gonna grease the old pot. About a tablespoon of grapeseed oil. You don't want it to be too greasy. So you just want to put a little bit on there. And also have it on a medium heat. A medium, we get it on that medium. Yeah, put it on the medium. Medium, in between the medium. You know what I'm saying? Get that grease nice and hot. That grease. And it'd be best to cook it in a cast iron skillet. If you got a cast iron skillet, it works even better. But if you don't, use what you got. So we got about a tablespoon of grapeseed oil, about 2 tablespoons of grapeseed oil. So we're just gonna grab a nice amount. We're gonna grab a nice amount of that. You know, how you want that burger. Like I say, you know, the Aqua fava acts as a binder. And you don't want to flip it right away. You want to let it get real crisp on the side for about a minute or two. We want to put about, you can get maybe about 2, maybe 3 to 4 of them out of one batch. Depends on how you know, how crispy, how thick you like them, you know. We got them all ready to go. They cooking up on the other side for about another 2 to 3 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and get this wrapped up and do the grand finale, baby. That's right, the grand finale, baby. You know why? Because your health is your wealth.
Here's the finished product, baby. As always, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the flip side. Your health is your wealth. Stay tuned to the next video.